Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, in this time and age, one of the most important duties that we all have, one of the most important etiquettes, one of the most important things that we should every day perform, constantly perform, mention day and night, remember and think of, is to remember our Imam of our time, Imam Sahib al-Asr wal-Zaman. We state that we love him. We state that we truly are the followers of the Imam. We wish to be his supporters. If we truly love him, as Amir al-Mu'minin states, "Man ahabba shay'an lahija bidhikrih." Whoever loves something constantly talks about that thing, mentions that thing, recites and praises that which he loves. How many of us, through the words that we say, through our actions, show that I am a muhib of Imam al-Zaman? I am a dhakir of Imam of our time. I'm a person who constantly remembers the Imam of our time. It's so beautiful, the words of the Imam. He himself states in that beautiful letter, which I recommend myself before I recommend others. Brothers and sisters, read this letter whereby he recites and reads, whereby he states to Shaykh al-Mufid, recite this letter, read this letter. He says, by the way, Shaykh Mufid, إِمْنَا غَيْرُ مُهْمِلِينَ لِمُرَاعَاتِكُمْ وَلَا نَاسِينَ لِذِكْرِكُمْ. The Imam is a loving and caring father. He states to Shaykh Mufid, "Oh Shaykh Mufid, we are not heedless of what happens in your lives. We are not heedless of your day-to-day actions. We care for you. We remember you. We think of you. We are aware of you. وَلَا نَاسِينَ لِذِكْرِكُمْ. And we never forget you all." The Imam, however much I sin, however much we displease him, we hurt him. How do we hurt him? How do we displease him? Through our own actions, through our own sins. I claim to be his follower, but my actions show that I'm far away from a follower of the Imam of that time. That hurts the Imam. That displeases the Imam. Yet the path towards the Imam is still present, is available. Like a caring, loving father, the Imam says, "You are always here for me and I am always there for you." The Imam says, "I embrace you. I welcome you back to the path. However much you have gone far away from the path of the Imam, if you truly submit towards him by submitting to the will of Allah, if you truly wish to be on the path of the Imam welcomes you. He allows that, he gives us always the opportunity, the chance of return." Brothers and sisters, Al-an qabla al-nadam. Now, before regret sets in. Now, let's take the opportunity. Let's take the chance of being on the path of the Imam of the time. Before regret sets in. Before we have to say these words after death. رَبِّ ارْجِعُونَ لَعَلِّي أَعْمَلُ صَالِحًا. Oh Allah, oh Lord, allow me to return to this world in order to perform good deeds, but it's too late. Today, let us perform the good deeds that bring me closer to Aba Salih al-Mahdi, to bring me closer to Sahib al-Asr wal-Zaman, who brings me closer to Imam al-Asr. Ajjalallahu ta'ala farajahu sharif. اللهم عجل لوليك الفرج. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.